Okay, the 1983 R&M Reverseaire original is officially in my bedroom. I just got done installing it. This is a 2.5 amp 2-speed motor. It's not a 3-speed because later in 83 they changed the 3-speed. So we're gonna give it a demo here. There's the light. It's one of those Hunter Vista lights that I like. I'm gonna probably get a round globe for this, or maybe a schoolhouse globe. I'm not a big fan of, it's too modern for this old of a fan. So anyway, there's the top of the fan. Oh, it's got Reverseaire blade arms on it. That's what came with it. So we're gonna give it a run on high. It is a tad bit noisy, but I'm gonna add some more oil and it should be fine. You can kind of hear it a little bit. Up in there. Take it to low. This is where I'll leave it on in the summer because I'm going to run the AC in here as well. So here's the tag, by the way. I'll get a better view of that. Now it's not a perfect resto job, but it does the job well enough that I'm happy with it. So that bottom plate and switch housing seem to be a darker color than the switch housing. It's in the top of the fan and off. Just gonna have a quick spin down because there's not a lot of oil in there anyway. So I'll go to Ace Hardware tomorrow and buy some more oil for it. Shit. Okay, here we go. Just tripped over that old fan there. But I love it in here. It looks really good. It's really Key West-esque, if you will. I love it in here. So the only thing to do is get oil in there and get a new globe for it, and it should be good to go. Okay, thanks for watching.